guys, welcome back for another video. Check the hair, check out the hair. So I never in a million years would have thought that I would be wearing hair this color. When the company contacted me to review this hair and they wanted me to do this particular color, I was like, oh gosh. No, matter of fact, they wanted me to do another color. And I'm like, ugh, I don't know about that. Do you have anything with dark roots? So she suggested this one. And I was nervous even when I got it, but I'm so happy that I actually tried this hair. So as you guys know, I'm a beginner in the laying or the slaying of lace fronts. If you did not see my first video, I want to include it right here. I just want to get better with time. Any other beginners that are looking to get into laying lace fronts and kind of perfect them or semi-perfect them, I just want to help somebody. Maybe we could do this together, tips and tricks and share and all of that good stuff. So the unit is KRYSSMA Hair. Okay, so here's the packaging the unit came in. I received the nude wig caps. I also received a hair care instruction, everything you need to know about the hair and how to care for this unit. And of course I received the wig. The wig does come pre-plucked. It is 13x6 synthetic wig, okay? So if you can use heat on this, it has to be at a low temperature heat. So this is the unit. I decided to go with this color as opposed to the other color like I was telling you before because I think it is a perfect balance for someone of my skin tone who wants to try a variation of blonde. This unit also comes with 4 combs. We have 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, along with the adjustable straps. At this point, I'm just going to proceed to fit the unit. As you can see, I did do the ball cap method, which I will come back with the individual review on how I do the ball cap method. But I'm just fitting the unit on my head, making sure that it does not come too far on my forehead, but not too far back. I did not do any additional plucking to this unit. Plucking, in my opinion, was really good. So I just proceeded to just fit the cap and make sure everything was lined up. I will have to cut off the pieces on the ear tab because it is a little big, but you guys will see that momentarily. So again, I'm just fitting the wig, and then I'm going to secure this wig with the Aussie Freeze Spray. I know a lot of ladies use the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. I could not get my hands on it, so I have to use what I can get my hands on, which is the Aussie Freeze Spray, which worked. I haven't had any complaints using the Aussie Freeze Spray. So after securing this unit with the Aussie Freeze Spray, I'm just going to use my blow dryer to make sure everything is completely dry. And then I'm just going to use my satin cap to wrap it up for about 15 minutes just to, again, make sure everything is secure and dry and everything is in place the way it should be. So after wrapping the hair for about 15 minutes, I did take it off and this hair is looking amazing. I'm super proud of myself at this point. I just hope that in the end I could execute it the way that I wanted to, which I pretty much did, as you guys will see. So I'm going to go ahead and split the lace up into a few small sections because it could be a little intimidating to cut all of this lace all at once. So I go in between my scissors and my brow cutter. Is it cutter or shaver or razor? I think it's brow razor. Yeah, I go in between the scissors and the brow razors.
So as you will see, when I'm cutting the lace off, I do have a little bit of residue from the Aussie Moist Freeze Spray, but I do go in and clean it up. You know, this is like an art, really. Like laying a lace front is like an art, seriously, because you have to, it's so many pieces, clean it up, putting it together, making sure this is right. It's an art. It's really, really an art. So I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So I just proceed to cut off this little piece of lace, and whatever lace came up or lifted, I go in with my um, Got to Be Glue gel in the black container. So at this point, I'm just reapplying anything that was lifting. You guys will also see, or yeah, as you can see, it is lifting. So I'm going to pull out my Got to Be Glue and the black gel, as I was telling you guys before, and just go along the perimeter of my hairline to lay the edges, reapply my satin scarf. You guys will see in a moment when I take off my satin. It came out beautifully. I mean, you still see a little bit of the residue, but I'm not stressing over it. I'm patting myself on the back. I'm super proud of myself. I think I am getting better and better, which is the goal of this. Yeah, this is a skill. This is art. Like I said, it takes um, work and bits and pieces you have to fix. It's just a process, okay? So I'm going to proceed with cutting my edges. Well, fixing my edges, cutting them, fixing them the best way I can, being that this is synthetic hair, so the hair does not move, of course, like human hair. And I'm also going to put concealer anywhere that I need to put concealer, whether it's along the perimeter or in the parting space. From this point on, it is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm super proud of myself. I feel like I am getting better. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. If you are interested in trying this wig, I think it is very beginner friendly. Check out the link down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
So I thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. If you are interested in this wig, check my description box. It's very inexpensive, a great starter wig. And for all my beginners, let's help each other, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.